Hello friends, welcome to Nabla Mahami Online Maths. In this video, we are going to solve SSSCE 1996 Theory Question 3, and this was elective mathematics paper. And the question is, solve for exponent x minus 3 dot 2 exponent x plus 1 is equal to minus 8. And this question is what we call exponential equation or industrial equation, meaning the question was set from the topic indices. And to solve this type of question, the first thing that you have to notice is this dot means multiplication. It is not a decimal point. It means multiplication. So to solve it, you have to rewrite the equation. And we'll now have it to be 4 exponent x minus 3 into 2 exponent x plus 1. Bracket close, everything is equal to minus 8. This dot, which means multiplication, we are replacing it with the bracket sign, which also means multiplication. After this, you look at this base, which is the smaller one, which is 2. But here the base is 4. So we are going to convert 4 into base 2. That is 2 square means 4. 2 times 2. Then we'll bracket it this way and bring our exponent x minus 3 into 2 exponent x plus 1 is equal to minus 8. After this, we now switch these powers by sending 2 outside and bringing x inside. That is 2 exponent x, bracket close, 2. 2x means 2 times x, and here x2 means x times 2, which is the same thing, minus 3. This one from one of the laws of indices, that is the product rule. If I have a exponent m times a exponent n, if I'm multiplying and the bases are the same, I'll pick one of the base and then add the powers, and that will be m plus n. This is one of the basic laws of indices. So that means that we are going to convert 2 exponent x plus 1 into this form. And to do that, it will now be 2 exponent x times 2 exponent 1. I'm separating this thing. So, it's in this form. So we are converting it back to this. So if I have 2 exponent x plus 1, it's the same thing as 2 exponent x times 2 exponent 1, which is equal to minus 8. I have 2 exponent x, everything multiplying by 2, the power, minus 3. Sorry, let me do it this way. 2 exponent 1 is the same thing as 2 times 3. That will give me 6. Then open brackets and bring 2 exponent x, which is equal to minus 8. From this point, I can now say that let 2 exponent x to be equal to y. This simply means that wherever we see 2 exponent x in this equation, we are substituting y. So here I have 2 exponent x. I'll write my y and bring the power 2. It will now be y squared minus 6. This is 2 exponent x. I'll write my y there, which is equal to minus 8. I will now bring negative 8 to come and join this side. And since it is negative, if I'm bringing it across the equal sign, it becomes positive 8. So this will be y squared minus 6y plus 8 is equal to 0. Now, the number here is 8, and the number here is minus 6. And we'll call this one product, this one sum, meaning we have to look out for 2 numbers or 2 factors. When you multiply them, you get positive 8. If you add them, you get minus 6. And these factors, the factors are going to be minus 2 and minus 4. Minus 2 times minus 4 is positive 8. And minus 2 plus minus 4 is minus 6. So we can substitute these factors into this equation. That means that I will now have y squared minus 2y minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. I will now group them into two terms and then factorize my common factor. You can see that here, if I take y squared minus 2y, my common factor will be y. So mean I'll bring y outside and write y minus 2. Mean I'm factorizing this. Here, my common factor will be minus 4. I'll be minus 4 into y minus 2. All is equal to 0. Minus 4 times y is minus 4y. Minus 4 times minus 2 is positive 8. And you can see that those in the bracket, they are the same. So you pick one of them. I'll have y minus 2. And pick those outside the brackets too. Y minus 4. Then that one will be y minus 4. Everything is equal to 0. I will now split each of these to be equal to 0. That will be y minus 2 is equal to 0. Or y minus 4 is equal to 0. To solve this, it means that y is equal to sending this one, that will be positive 2. Or y is equal to sending this one will be positive 4. And my values for y is 2 and 4. But we are not asked to solve for y. We are asked to solve for x. But initially, we said that 2 exponent x should be equal to y. From this point, we said 2 exponent x should be equal to y. Well, now say that when y is equal to 2, it means that here I'll have 2 exponent x, which is equal to y, but y is 2. But we know that any number or 2 raised to the power 1 is the same thing as 2. So I will say that this exponent should be 1. And if the bases are the same, it means that the exponents too are also the same. So I can say that if 2 is equal to 2, then x is equal to 1 here. We use the other value 2 for y. And that one I'll say that when y is equal to 4, I can say that 2 exponent x is equal to 4. And this 4 can be broken into form of what? 2's. That will be 2 exponent x is equal to 2 exponent 2. 2 squared is 4. And if the bases are the same, if 2 is equal to 2, then x is also equal to 2, I mean the powers. And we'll conclude by saying that, therefore, x is equal to 1 from here, or x is equal to 2. And this was the ideal solution for this question in 1996 elective mathematics theory question 3. Thank you for watching this video. If this is your first time of watching, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, Nabla Mahami Online Maths, so that you'll be notified anytime a new video is being uploaded. You can also share my Facebook post for others to watch. Thank you once again and have a nice day. Bye-bye.